Meaning of Glastonbury.
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 Glastonbury. Glastonbury is a town situated in southwestern England, known for its rich history and cultural significance. The name Glastonbury is believed to have originated from the Old English words Glastingneburg, meaning settlement of the people of Glesta. However, the town has become famous for its connection to Arthurian legend and as the supposed location of Avalon. It is also home to the ruins of Glastonbury Abbey, which was one of the wealthiest and most influential monastic establishments in medieval England. Today, Glastonbury remains a popular destination for pilgrims, spiritual seekers, and tourists.